welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading here. So, how do we find those opportunities to trade in the market? My strategy, something that I love to trade, the momentum stocks, those pre-market gappers, gapping up 50, 60, 70% on, a lot of volume, low floats. Those are the ones I love to scalp in and out just really, really quickly. Unfortunately, that opportunity is not present at the moment. So, as a trader, I have to be well rounded. And, I follow the indexes very closely all day long and I watch the price action of these. So I know how to trade multiple things. That way, if one strategy is a little bit weaker, we put that on the back burner for the moment. That will definitely be back. There's no question. But while the VIX is so elevated and there's so much volatility in the overall market, that's where a lot of traders are right now. And we want to be with, all those other traders. So that's what we did. Seeking opportunity is absolute key. So where did I find opportunity? I found opportunity, over the weekend we do all this research. So it's not like I'm coming in here today for the first time, seeing the Russell 2K and, and not expecting this further weakness to continue. This is something that we post on Discord. Every weekend we do a ton of research. We like to get everybody, in tune with the opportunities, with the market. So I'm very interested in the Russell 2K at the moment. So that being said there, we go in here today and we see that the Russell 2K is selling off. So it's making a series of lower highs and lower lows. I love to trade with the trend. So today was a very less labor intensive day. And by that, I mean, 4 trades. 4 trades is all I needed today. And we went 4 for 4. So a very solid morning. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning. I have so much to do today that my trading was limited to now. So after this, there's no more trading for me, unfortunately, because there does look like there's a lot of opportunities in the overall market today. But being up $455, very, very happy with that. And I'm going to show you here how we got that way. So my last trade was on the Dow Jones futures. This one, I was just patiently waiting at this point down here. I mean, it was down over almost 400 points or over 400 points. Now, we all know this could continue to go down pre-market to, 500 points, 600 points. But there are those opportunities for a reversal to start at some point. Now, I like to wait until 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 7 a.m. These key times where a lot of volume will pour in. And that's what happened here today here with the Dow. And that's what I took advantage of. This quick 3-minute move here after 8 a.m. I wanted to see which way that 8 a.m. algorithms were going to be pushing the market. Being down so much, my bias at this point was, I think we can see some continued volatility maybe to the upside now. Now, we're in a downtrend, and it's very risky trading against the trend. But at some point, the market is going to reverse. It doesn't just continue to go down 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. At some point, there will be that ebb and that flow, and that's what I was looking for here. So I waited until after 8 a.m. I saw where the algos were pushing it, and I went long. Very quick, very Easy trade here. Not easy, but I mean, 2, 3 minutes for $210. One trade. That's key. One good trade here. And then we traded the Russell a little bit further back. We were trading the trend. So this again was trending down. It was trending down the entire way. I wake up at 5 a.m. I see the trend. Each push up, I'm trading it down. Push up, shorting it, same thing. So, while I left a ton of money on the table here, I'm not going to be upset with $245. But finding the opportunities, that's the key here. So, just finding those opportunities, trading them, and taking advantage, and letting those winners, I think, maybe go a little bit longer when you're in trends like this is probably the right thing to do. I tend to take my profit a little too fast, but this is the IWM. This is something that I was showing you on the that post on Discord. So if we look at the 10-year here, I mean, look at this gap we have to fill. So once it broke, I'm just going to take off. Once it broke here, something that it's been holding up at 208, the whole year, the entire year, it breaks that. This is correcting huge correction. Now this the small caps here that are made up of this, AMC is a huge one. GME, I think, is in here. Very overvalued, a lot of these stocks that were in here. And you can just tell. I mean, look at historically. Look where we are trading. Once we broke this level, that's where I find my opportunity now. So now it looks like we're sitting at 191.52 on this ETF. I mean, it still has room to go. It does. It started the year here basically where it is now. This has retraced the entire 2021 trading and is now back to where we opened up the year 2021. Will it continue down further? It's possible, but at this point, I don't want to go long. So, you're trading with the trend. That's what we're doing here. Simple as that, trading with the overall trend. So, Apple had earnings. Let's take a look at Apple. Starting to sell off. This was very, very key to me. And this is something that, over in our Discord, this is something that I wanted to see. If Apple, I want to see how the Apple trades, today. Very, very important. While we're in here with Discord, I just want to show you guys something that we look at and keep an eye on. We're in a descending resistance, a falling wedge here on the SPY, on the Qs, on the ES. There's a lot of really critical, things to look at. SPY keys to watch today, very specific market briefing. All this is in our Discord. If you are interested, the link will be in the description. I find trading in a community, it's just so much better than trading alone. So when I started this a year ago, I could not have asked for a better community to bounce ideas off of and just talk to every day, not just Monday through Friday, but Saturday and Sunday too, where we do a lot of research. So that'll be in the description if you guys are interested. And, today we are going to get, tomorrow actually, in the Northeast, we're supposed to get a ton of snow, huge amount of snow. So I'm going to be so busy for the rest of the day preparing my other business for this and preparing, for the snow this weekend. It should be interesting. This is going to be a blizzard. So we're wrapping up here at the end of the week. Very happy. $455 in profit on 4 trades. That is just so nice for the mental. I feel clear. I feel light on my feet, not a ton of trading, and just happy with that overall, opportunity seeking and taking advantage of some of those things. So hit the thumbs up for the video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you back this weekend with our weekly watch list video. Take care, everyone.